Hello, my name is Dana Scott. I'm going to be teaching my game, Cash Out, Making Change. To start off with, I made up some game sheets, which consist of all the food chains. This is my answer sheet. Okay, and also here's my display of my board that shows the food pyramid. Okay, starting out, my lesson information. Cash Out, Making Change from a Cash Register Receipts is a game to shop for groceries off the food pyramid. You will roll the die for each food group on the food chain. The die is multiplied by the price of the food. Addition is used in totaling your purchase. Subtraction is used for the coupons. Division, half-priced items, and it incorporates sales tax on the dollar amount. My lesson objectives. The student will learn how to calculate sales tax, make change, use coupons, and improve on development of math skills at their grade level. A student will also integrate math skills with the knowledge of nutrition of the food pyramid. My materials and resources. The student will need a game board like this, and then the receipt card. Also, materials needed are sales ads, circular advertisements, pencils, scratch paper, one die, and a calculator. Unlimited players may play. Jerry Lee's sales advertisements and Wayne Lee's circular. And this I end up Googling to do for my bibliography. My instructional plan object. Player starts out with $100, and he who has the most money when the cash out wins. Each player rolls the die. Player with the highest roll of the die goes first. On your turn, you'll roll the die, start at the top of the food pyramid, 1, starting with sweets, and work your way down to the breads. You'll fill in each blank on the receipt card. You multiply the price of the food times the number rolled on the die. If at any time a player rolls a 2, you get half off. So divide by 2 and round off to the nearest 10 or dollars. Then you subtract your coupon that is figured in a dollar amount times the number rolled on the die. Once you purchase all the food groups, you figure your total, then add the sales tax. Take your total, multiply 1.07 to get your tax included total. Player starts out with $100 for shopping, and then the player subtracts the grand total from the $100. The person who has the most money left over at the end of the game wins. Each player will have a person calculating scores to have a correct score but an honest game. My extensions. The teacher may change the product price, sales tax percentage to increase the multiplication factors or integrate fractions into the game for grade level. The student will also develop a better understanding of the food pyramid to help achieve a healthier lifestyle. Students standards and expectations. The student will be able to develop important material ideas and skills. This will help support and identify the standards that are assessed at grade level. Also, this will help support and keep track of the development of important mathematical skills and ideas. I made up an answer key. The game has a set price for each food group. The most you can roll is a 6. So each food group will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times the price of the food. Also, price may be cut in half of each. Sales tax is figured by multiplying the 1.07. I've done an answer key. So this is my answer key from the food chart that I have priced on each food pyramid. Okay. So when you just roll the dice, I have a 3. So my 3 times $2.99 will be put in your total. Then, for the next one, so on to 3. So 3 times your $2 and so on. And then you figure up your sales tax. I want to thank everybody today for this, and I appreciate your time. Have a great summer. Thanks.